Hey everyone, good afternoon. I wanted to come in and talk to you just a little bit about the vision board classes that are coming up this week. June the 4th is the first one on designing your vision board and things that you need to know about that and the best way that you can design a vision board that works for you. And then the following week on the 11th, I'll be offering a next step vision board class, which is taking you to where you can ignite the magic within the vision board that you created. So some things to think about. If you've not registered, definitely get registered, because that's how you're going to get the link to where the live broadcast is going to be being offered. It also will give you an opportunity to have the bonuses and anything else that might be a part of the instruction and giveaway, as well as the recording to the actual event. So if you can't make it live, you'll at least get the recording. I encourage you to get registered for both, even if you've taken the first one, because it could be a little bit different. Well, I know it's going to be a little bit different because I've built in some other concepts and instruction around that. So I want to start first by the design, what you're going to create, learning to make a vision board by design. There are many vision board usages that you can create images that will support that. So for instance, it might be an upcoming holiday or celebration that you want to create a vision board for. It may be that ideal job that you're seeking or want to get promoted in. It could be something you want to do with just your home. It could be something with an automobile. Like, it doesn't all have to be on one board. And what I'm finding is that really shifts the energy from feeling like there's just too much chaos and clutter within that vision board, which then will bring down your energetic vibration of calling those things in, because there's just too many things to pick from. Now, granted, you can do a basic design. Here's my home, here's my relationship, here's my work, here's my automobile, here's my family, here's my animals, whatever that looks like. Putting that on a board is very simple, sweet. You know, ideally, this is what you would like, or something better. But when you start breaking it down in categories or in specific areas of your life and create from that space, then you can really rev up the energy and the magic, because now you've created one that is very specific to what it is you want to put your energy and your time and emotions towards, so that you can start creating that for your own life. If you're working on something like with your career, keep in mind that where you're at right now in your career, be grateful and be happy, and knowing that you've been given these opportunities to have this job and income. And then from that space is, what did you like about this current job, and what are you going to create wanting for the next job? What does it look like? Who do you have to become in order to get that position or have that job or career? If you're planning a board for a holiday, Pinterest is great for that, right? Because they have all these amazing decorations and food and cakes and all of that. So you would create for that celebration based off of those images, and you can put all of that on one board. And it doesn't have to be cardboard, scissors, glue, and a magazine anymore, because we have so much amazing technology out there that you can do it virtually. You can have it just in a document on your computer. You can have it on your phone in your images, your photo album. You can have it in Pinterest. You can have it in Instagram. You can put it wherever you want. And if you look for that, there's a lot of free programs out there that help you create a vision board. And we're going to talk more about all of this in both of these workshops, so we can really energize and amp you up and get you ready for experiencing life on a different level, because you're going to start creating life by design, because you're setting purpose and intention to what it is you truly want. And then we're going to learn mantras and affirmations and journaling, and how to really live in this moment, in this experience of creating what it is you desire. And then beyond that, I have this amazing opportunity for you to be a part of, which I won't tell you yet, but I will share it with you in the workshops and in between, so that you'll know what the next step is. Because oftentimes we set out to do something and then we don't know what to do with it after we've been there, or if we've taken the workshop or the training or the learning. Well, what's next, Melissa? And that's what I've already got laid out for you. And it is just going to take things to the next level, to the next level, to the next level. So here's the deal. You get registered, you get on the list, and let's start making this energetic exchange around making what it is you want to create for your life, as well as I'm creating for my life, to really amp it up, to get it come to us quicker, faster, easier, with joy, fulfillment, and happiness, because it is possible. You just have to get out of your stinking thinking and get into this more manifesting ability to create your life by design, and start from there. And then I will hold your hand weekend and lead you through the rest of it when I see you on June the 4th and also on June the 11th. Any questions, comments, drop them below, private message me, whatever you need to do. But the link is there for you to get registered, because both of these workshops, I'm looking to fill them up. The first time I ran it, we filled it up with over 120 registrations. So let's get into bigger numbers this time as well. As always, I hope this resonates. I'm sending you tons of love and lots of light, and I will be talking to you again soon. Have a great weekend.